Hi guys, welcome to another episode in Dashboard Warning Symbol Part 2. Today we gonna discuss about coolant warning light or high temperature warning light and the reason behind it. In the end of the video, I will give you a bonus tip. Let's get started today's topic, that is high temperature. When your car temperature spiking up when the warning symbol is blinking on the cluster, please draw your car aside and take a while to check the coolant level in your radiator. Notice, never ever do check the coolant level when the engine is hot. The reason behind the high temperature warning symbols are lack of coolant in the radiator, water pump not working, bad sensor and bad fuse, wiring problem, radiator damage, radiator fan not working, and finally coolant hose pipe leak. These are the basic problems. If you find only coolant missing, then please add coolant in the radiator and you can use your car. Or if you notice other problem, then towing is the best option to take to nearest service center, or you will end up with major problem. If you didn't find any of the above, then try to check engine oil level. If the level is getting up, then it's engine problem. The bonus tip for this video is, please do use recommended coolant as per the manufacturer guide. Thank you.